How to make Google Form public but not editable. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Form public while ensuring it remains non-editable. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Google Form and sign in with your account. And after that, choose the form that you want to share publicly but keep uneditable. For this video, I'm gonna simply select this one. And once you are inside the form, simply click on the Settings tab and navigate to the Responses section. And from there, you can simply scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Response Editing. So if it is turned on, you can simply toggle it off, and that's it. Now your form is publicly accessible, but users won't be able to edit their responses. And with this, let's test it out. So I'm gonna simply copy the link and fill up this form, and after filling it up I'm gonna simply submit. And after submitting, as here you can see, I can't edit the responses. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.